Hello, everyone. Welcome to the ninth unit of Kids English Guide. Today, we will learn the second part of how. It is how much and how many. Last time, we learned different types. And let us review that in the review exercise. Repeat after me twice. First, how is your grandma? How is your grandma? How are your friends? How are your friends? How do they talk? How do they talk? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? Next, how near is your office? How near is your office? How smart is she? How smart is she? Next, how old is your father? How old is your father? How good is he? How good is he? Now, let's start with exercise 1, focusing on how many. Repeat after me 3 times. Let's begin. How many students are there? How many students are there? How many students are there? How many hours do you work per day? How many hours do you work per day? How many hours do you work per day? How many chairs did you carry? How many chairs did you carry? How many teachers are at school? 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 Last, how many tickets did you buy? How many tickets did you buy? How many tickets did you buy? Remember these patterns. How many? And then, for example, tickets, teachers, shares, hours, and then connect it to the next sentence. And try to do this by yourself and remember 3 times. And after, now in exercise 2, we will try to do learning and teaching method. So in the first part, you will be, it's like a line for teachers and the next part for students. And later, you change. First, how much coffee did you drink? I drank 3 cups. How much coffee did you drink? I drank 3 cups. How much coffee did you drink? I drank 3 cups. Next, how much homework do we have? We have 3 exercises to finish. How much homework do we have? We have 3 exercises to finish. How much homework do we have? We have 3 exercises to finish. Next, how much is a plane ticket to Japan? Plane. It costs $500. How much is a plane ticket to Japan? It costs $500. How much is a plane ticket to Japan? It costs $500. Next, how much is this book? It costs $15. It costs $15. How much is this book? It costs $15. Next, how much is that car? It costs $20,000. It costs $20,000. How much is that car? It costs $20,000. $20,000. How much is that car? How much is that car? It costs $20,000. The end. And what you will do is just like these. So first one will speak English and English question, and then second will speak English answer. And two will speak English question, one will speak English answer. And practice that 3 times. If you are done with that, we can go to exercise 3. We have talk practice. And first, we will read all first, repeat after me, and then later, I am Srene, you are Pise. And then let's begin. Hi, Pise. Ready to shop? Pise, ready to shop? Hi, Sreme. Yes, let's go. How much are these shoes? They are $50. How many do you want? Just one pair. Just one pair. How much is this dress? How much is this dress? It's $30. How many dresses do you need? 2 dresses. 2 dresses. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? I have $100. I have $100. How much do you have? How much do you have? I have $70. Yeah, let's buy some snacks. Let's buy some snacks. Let's pay and go. Let's pay and okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I am Sreme. You are Pise. Let's begin. Hi, Pise. Ready to shop? That's really let's go. How much are these shoes? They are $50. How many do you want? Just one pair. How much is this dress? It's $30. How many dresses do you need? 2 dresses. How much money do you have? I have $100. How much do you have? I have $70. Let's buy some snacks. Let's pay and let's go. Okay, let's go. Very good. Now, you get a friend, find a friend, and then friend 1 will play as Reme, and then 2 will play as Pise. And try to do this practice 3 times so that it will remain in your hippocampus in your brain. And when you are done with that, we can go to exercise 4, where we will have back translation. So first, you will hear the Khmer language and then translate with me. I'll make the Khmer sentence English with me. So at the same time, we say together. So first, let's try number 1.
តើអ្នកចង់បានខូឃីប៉ុន្មាន
How many cookies do you want?
តើអ្នកចង់បានខូឃីប៉ុន្មាន
How many cookies do you want?
តើអ្នកចង់បានខូឃីប៉ុន្មាន
How many cookies do you want? Okay, very good. So always say with me together. Number 2.
តើមានបន្ទប់ប៉ុន្មាននៅក្នុងផ្ទះនេះ
How many rooms are in this house?
តើមានបន្ទប់ប៉ុន្មាននៅក្នុងផ្ទះនេះ
How many rooms are in this house?
តើមានបន្ទប់ប៉ុន្មាននៅក្នុងផ្ទះនេះ
How many rooms are in this house? Number 3. Oh, sorry, I'm not highlighting. There you go. How many cookies? How many rooms? How many trees? Next, number 3. Anyway,
តើមានដើមឈើប៉ុន្មាន
how many trees are there?
តើមានដើមឈើប៉ុន្មាន
How many trees are there?
តើមានដើមឈើប៉ុន្មាន
How many trees are there? Number 4.
ឡានក្រុងថ្លៃប៉ុន្មាន
How much is the bus fare?
ឡានក្រុងថ្លៃប៉ុន្មាន
How much is the bus fare?
ឡានក្រុងថ្លៃប៉ុន្មាន
How much is the bus fare? Number 5.
តើទឹកដោះគោនៅសល់ប៉ុន្មាន
How much milk is left?
តើទឹកដោះគោនៅសល់ប៉ុន្មាន
How much milk is left?
តើទឹកដោះគោនៅសល់ប៉ុន្មាន
How much milk is left? Okay. Now let's do number 5.
តើទឹកដោះគោនៅសល់ប៉ុន្មាន
How much milk is left?
តើទឹកដោះគោនៅសល់ប៉ុន្មាន
How much milk is left?
តើទឹកដោះគោនៅសល់ប៉ុន្មាន
How much milk is left? And last one, number 6.
តើអ្នកត្រូវការប៉ុន្មាន
How much do you need?
តើអ្នកត្រូវការប៉ុន្មាន
How much do you need?
តើអ្នកត្រូវការប៉ុន្មាន
How much do you need? Okay. Now, you have to find a friend again, and then friend 1 will say in Khmer, 2 will say English, and do alternate, change roles. 2 will say Khmer, 1 will say in English, and try to do each number 3 times. When you are done with that, we can go to exercise 5, which is jumbled letters. So here, you will have to put the words in order. But first, let us study the sentence structure. So for this, it is always how. How go first. How. And then next is much or many. How much or how many. Sometimes, if we ask how, it's like for money. So sometimes we use is. How much is da da da, or how much are da da da. But for many, we use like nouns. These are nouns. Siblings, cars, girls, or boys. For example, let's use boys. How many boys are there? We can use this. For example, how many boys are there? So we follow this sentence structure. And we can also follow these sentence structures in exercise 6. And now, let's try to challenge number 1. So first, we have book is how much these. So we can say how much, because that's the first. How much is this? How much is this book? Okay, repeat after me. How much is this book? How much is this book? Next, much, you, coffee, drink, do, how. So here we see much and we see how. So it should be how much coffee? How much coffee do you drink? Do you drink? Repeat after me. How much coffee do you drink? Next, fare, bus, how is much V? There is much again. So it should be how much? How much is the bus fare? Bus fare. How much is the bus fare? Repeat. How much is the bus fare? Number 4. Many. School. At. Teachers. How. At. So here we have many. So it will be how many? How many teachers? How many teachers are at school? Repeat after me. How many teachers are at school? Teachers are at school. Next, many, buy, did, how, tickets, do. Again, we have many, so it will be how many tickets? How many tickets? How many tickets did, oops, tickets did you buy? Repeat after me, please. How many tickets did you buy? Number 6, last one. Need, dresses, many, how, she, does. We have the word many again. So it will be how many dresses does she need? Okay, repeat after me, please. How many dresses does she need? Very good. And I am your instructor, so we have already done this. Next, please try with your teacher. And after trying with your present teacher, let's go to exercise 6. Here, we will just practice more. And since we already had many sentences in the past exercises, we just read this 2 times. So first time, slow. Second time, fast reading. So we can practice. Repeat after me, please. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? How many cars does she own? How many cars does she own? How many books did you read last week? How many books did you read last week? So there should be the last week. Next, how many apples do you want? How many apples do you want? Next, how much? How much water should I drink? Much water? How much water should I drink? How much time do we have? How much time do we have? How much is this pencil? How much is this pencil? How much is that shirt? How much is that shirt? Very good. Now, we can go to exercise 7 because we already know how to say the words and we know the sentence structure. In exercise 7, don't forget to upload your MP3 file. But first, repeat after me in slash reading. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Ray. Nice to meet you. Today, I want to tell you about my experience going abroad. Going abroad. How exciting is traveling abroad? It is very exciting and enriching. It's very exciting. How many countries have I visited? I have visited 3 countries so far. I love experiencing new cultures and meeting new people. How much do I enjoy exploring? How much do I enjoy it? I enjoy it a lot. I The other day, I went to Mukochang Island. How was it? It was amazing. Thank you for listening. Now, I will read all and try to copy the way I read it. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Ray. Nice to meet you. Today, I want to tell you about my experience going abroad. How exciting is traveling abroad? It is very exciting and enriching. How many countries have I visited? I have visited 3 countries so far. I love experiencing new cultures and meeting new people. How much do I enjoy exploring? I enjoy it a lot. The other day, I went to Mukochang Island. How was it? It was amazing. Thank you for listening. Okay, that's the end of this exercise 7, but don't forget to try and practice before you record yourself. When you are done, and then that's the end of Unit 9. So, I hope you learned something on how much and how many, and see you again on the next unit. Bye!